BRS के सीनियर लीडर K.T. Rama Rao ने कहा कि अगर मुस्तकबिल में वज़ीर आला बनते हैं तो माशी तरक्की, दौलत की तख्लीक और कमज़ोर तबक़ात की फलाह बहबूद उनकी अव्वलीन तरजीहात रहेंगी। उन्होंने कहा कि रियासत को खुद कफ़ील और माशी तौर पर मुस्तहकम बनाने के लिए रोज़गार के मौक़े पैदा करना और सरमायाकारी को फ़रोग़ देना अहम है।
My last question to you is, in a future in which you were chief minister, what would your one or two priorities be for Telangana going forward?
I think, without economic growth, without growing your economy, you would not be able to accomplish, any kind of objective that you may have for yourself. So I would say the first and foremost priority would be continuous economic growth and economic expansion, creation of wealth. And I think parallelly, a country like India, you cannot be oblivious to the fact that there is a huge population which basically needs support and, the vulnerable section in the country, which needs a bit of hand-holding. So I'd say continue to push the economic agenda, continue to create jobs, continue to attract investments, continue to, create wealth, parallelly ensure that you take care of the most vulnerable. So I'd say a fine balance of welfare and economic growth.